Hi, we're doing questions on logic, syllogism. So some red are colors. No red is paint. So I put a line to indicate no. All colors are black. Now look at the conclusion. Some black being paints is a possibility. Yes, you can say whenever there is a possibility or no, you can redraw. You can make out that black can intersect with paint. Yes, the first is true. So some black being paints is a possibility is true because black can intersect with paints. All paints being black is a possibility, even that is possible. So if I put something like this diagram, redraw, you can make out that black or paints can be inside black. So all paints being black is a possibility is true because the complete paint can be inside black, but black cannot be inside paint. So if it was a question said all black being paints is a possibility, okay, that is not possible because blacks which is red cannot be inside paints. But this current situation where paints is inside black, yes, it's a possibility. So we know both follow. So the answer will be C option in this specific case. So both follow. So C option. Same diagram. Some red are colors. No red is paint, and all colors are black. So some colors are not paint. If you look at colors which are intersecting with red cannot be paint. So that is true. Colors which are intersecting with red cannot be paint. All red being black is a possibility. Yes, I can redraw black such that it covers red too. This is possibility. So all red being black is a possibility. So second also is true. So both 1 and 2 are true. C option. Some mice are keyboard. No keyboard is key. And all keys are ring. Some mice are ring. Now when there is no or a possibility, you should look at a diagram and make out. So as per a diagram, there is no intersection between rice and mice. Remember when rings and mice. Remember we always draw something with minimum intersection. So this cannot be the answer. So all rings being mice is a possibility. We'll be seeing all rings are a part of mice, right? Now if I look at it, I can draw mice. You should always redraw. I can draw mice like this. It's a possibility to draw like this, right? So all rings can be inside mice is a possibility. So only 2 follows. Okay, I can redraw mice such a way that rings are inside mice. So in that case, second is possibility. That will be the answer. All stickers are cups. No cup is a wire. All wires are bulbs. So no wire is sticker. Yes, if you look at stickers inside cups and wire is outside cups. So first is true. No bulb is cup. So you can say bulb and cup can intersect. So second is false. There is a possibility of bulbs and cup being intersecting. So only 1 is true in this case. Here diagram is similar. All stickers are cups. No cup is wire. And all wires are bulbs. All stickers being bulbs is a possibility. Yes, I can draw bulbs such that it includes stickers. Yes. All stickers because bulbs is outside wire. You can always draw bulbs such a way that stickers come inside bulbs. Yes. No bulb is a sticker. Again, since we can intersect it, so that means this is false. It's possibility that bulbs and stickers can intersect. So only 1 follows. That will be the answer. There's also either or, but either or only you look at if both are false. Then you check for either or. Now here 1 is true, 1 is false. You don't look at either or. Right? So answer will be A option. Only 1 is true. Thank you.